Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can of course remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the visited websites and ending on saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.